Hello students, welcome back to online classes of nuclear fission, lecture number 8. In this lecture we are discuss one more point in your syllabus, that is nuclear fission with heavy ions. Okay, title is nuclear fission with heavy ions. We already know that what is meant by nuclear fission. Nuclear fission we define as it is a process in which a heavy element is split and form into two lighter nuclei is called nuclear fission reaction. And here we have one more term, that is nuclear fission with heavy ions. First we need to know what is meant by heavy ions. First we discuss heavy ions. Heavy ions means, I define in a very simple way, these are the particles having mass greater than alpha particle is called heavy ions. Okay, I write this statement. These are the particles having mass greater than alpha particle, that is helium nucleus, is called heavy ions. ಹೆವಿ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ತೂಕ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆವಿ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ how the heavy ions are responsible for the nuclear fission reaction. To explain that we consider some two examples. Okay, first I consider the nitrogen 715. Okay, nitrogen 715, it is interact or collide with thorium 90-32. Okay, this is the heavy element. Its mass is greater than the alpha particle, because we know that mass of the alpha particle is 4 AMU. Here we have 15 AMU. Okay, for that reason it is a heavy ion. Okay, when this heavy ion is interact or collide with the thorium 90-32, there is a formation of compound nucleus, that is plutonium 94-36 is formed. It is in a compound nuclear state along with lithium 311. Okay, and this compound nucleus is once again, it is in excited state, or its half-life is very very small. For that reason it's suddenly decay. This plutonium 94-36 is undergo sudden decay further and form the xenon 54 and plus zirconium. Zr means zirconium 40. This is how heavy ions are responsible for the fission reaction. This is example number 1. Simply in this example what happens, just recall, a nitrogen 715 is interact with thorium 90-32, and there is a formation of compound nucleus, means the nucleus is in undergoes to excited state. That is a formation of plutonium 94-36, and its half-life is very small, and along with lithium 311 is liberated, and suddenly it that is compound nucleus plutonium 94-36 decay and form or fission into xenon 54 plus zirconium. This is a zirconium element and this is xenon element. We consider one more example. Okay, example number 2. This is example number 1. When I consider one more heavy ion, that is neon 1022 is combined with or is collide with or it interact with thorium once again 90-32. Now in this case thorium goes to excited state, that is thorium 90 go to excited state along with the liberation of neon 1026. Okay, and once again this thorium, excited state thorium, is formed into uranium 90-235, and once again this uranium 90-230, sorry, it is 236, and it is also in excited state, and it once again fission into barium 56 plus krypton 36. In this way heavy ions, that is in example 1 neon 715, sorry, nitrogen 715, in example 2nd neon 1022 are responsible for the fission reaction. This is about how a nuclear fission reaction is happened by using heavy ions. Okay, thank you.